Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, I wanted to do a matte look because I've been doing all kind of glitter and shimmer drama, and I was like, you know what, not everybody is down with the shimmer, so I'm going to do an all matte look, and it's just something that's going to be simple and easy and everyday wearable. So if you are interested in seeing this matte look, then please continue to watch. Please also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. If you are, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support. Please continue to share these videos as well so other people can see how to get these looks. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on this look. I need to put some chapstick on, so starting off with this limited edition Berry Lip Fix. Okay, so we're starting off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I have been doing the JJ Smith 6 Weeks to Sexy program, and I'm going to do a separate video with my husband because he's doing it with me, even though he hasn't been as consistent as me. But we're going to go ahead and talk to you guys about it and let you know how things are going. And I'm going to start to include some fitness videos with me and my kids, or just me and my family, and just showing you some of the things we are incorporating in our daily schedules to help us to stay fit and to really get this health together in 2019. Now I don't have like any I don't have like high blood pressure or diabetes or anything like that. However, when I was going to the doctor the last few months of last year, my blood pressure was high sometimes it wasn't, and if it continued to do that, then I would possibly have to be put on medication, and I'm not trying to even go there. Like, we don't even need to start that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm really doing a lifestyle change. I'm really actually enjoying everything that I'm doing, and I am really excited to see where things go. But I will definitely give you guys, we're gonna do a video and we're gonna do just pretty much let you know where we started, where we are, and in the follow-up videos I'll be showing you slides of pictures and things like that, just so you can see the progress that I've been able to make. And yeah, so I'm really excited about this because I'm happy that I'm not doing a diet, but I'm actually doing something that is sustainable and is like really something that I can do long term to keep myself healthy. So I just carved out the brows, and then I also primed my eyes, and now we're going to go ahead and get started and go into our James Charles palette. And you see all the colors, but I've been doing a lot of colorful looks. So what I'm actually going to do is more of a neutral look. So we're going to be doing some browns and yellows and things like that. So let's get started. My desk is here, but it just has to be put together. So when it's put together, it'll be so much easier to reach all my stuff, because right now I'm just literally surrounded by everything that I use. But I'm going to start off by going, almost dropped the palette. I'm going to start off by going into this yellow color and using this blending brush. This is a Glamour Dolls brush, and it does not have a number or anything. I know this palette is known to be better off used with a primer, but I don't have one. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and go into this kind of like reddish tan colors, maybe like a rust color right here. It doesn't come off rust, it actually comes off like a, maybe like a bright rust color. It's a very, very different color. Okay, so I want this to actually be darker. So I'm gonna go into this chocolatey color here. And we're gonna blend that right where we just blended that other color. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go back into this kind of tannish color here. And I'm gonna blend that right above where I just blended all those other colors. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back into this brown color and I wanna blend it up from my brow and down. So I'm gonna blend this from here and blend it down to here. Okay, so that is good. I'm liking how that is looking. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller blending brush and we're gonna go in with some black, but I don't want the black to be like intense, so we're just gonna dabble into it and then blend it out. So we're going into this black color right here. The same thing on this other side and just going into the crease. So now we're gonna go in with an actual blending brush and blend this out. I'm using this blending brush here. Before adding any additional product, I'm just gonna start blending. Now I'm going into the brown and we're going to blend this out. So I'm going in with this brown here. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Then blend. Okay, so that's good. Now we are going to go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal once again, using this brush here. Okay, that is good. Loving how that is looking. Now we're going to go ahead and just blend the tail ends in. So I'm going to go in with this blending brush and I'm going to go in with the black and then I'm going to go back in with that brown color. So we're going to create like a gradient. So actually instead of the black, I'm going to go in with the dark brown because it's almost black. So this color right here. Have to go all the way black to build up the intensity that you want. I'm using this and I'm taking it down just right into the center, but going down. Then I'm going to go over it with that brown color here. So that's good. This is what we're looking like so far. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the white color in this palette. This is the color right here. I'm going to apply that over this light part here. I'm going to go ahead and wet this brush with some Fix Plus and then go into the white just because I want it to be super intense. All right, beauty. So we ended up having some company come over, and my husband had to do a recording, so I have to do the rest voiceover. But I'm just packing on that white color from the James Charles palette and then blending everything back together without adding additional product right now. I'm just blending so that everything blends seamlessly without any harsh lines. Now I did add a little bit more of that dark brown just to add some more intensity. And then I saw that this side of the eye needed to be raised up to match the other side. So I added a little bit more concealer at the top and then went right back in with the chocolate color once again. And then now at the side of my eye, I'm just tapering out the eye and cleaning it up with some concealer and a flat brush. Then I'm using my NYX matte liner for the very front of the eye just to put a little tiny bit of liner for the inner corner. And now I'm going in with my NYX Milk Pencil for my waterline. And now that we're done with the eyes at this point, not all the way, but just at this point, I'm putting some Sasha Buttercup powder on my face just to get the oiliness away. I set my face before I put on my foundation with powder, and then I went in with the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless Foundation and Golden Beige, and I'm using the Juno sponge. I finally got the Juno sponge in the mail, and this sponge is bomb, y'all. It really does save your product. If you use too much product, you will notice. It will be hard to blend it. But I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige, and then I'm going to use the espresso color to contour, and these are my highlighting and contour colors from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and just blending that in using my Juno sponge. And as you can see, even there, that was like a little bit too much product because this sponge really preserves the product. So I definitely recommend it. You just will learn to use less product the more you use it. And now I'm setting everything using the Sasha Buttercup powder. I have the light Buttercup. I'm going to need to start using that underneath my eyes because I feel like this may be a tad dark for under my eyes. It kind of is close to my complexion. And now I'm putting on the espresso color from the LA Girl Pro Conceal to contour. Sometimes I contour before powder, sometimes after. I just decided to do it after today for no particular reason. And I'm just blending that in with the stippling brush right now. And now I'm going in with my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer and bronzing up. I know my bronzer is beat up, y'all. Don't talk about me. I can't even find this bronzer anymore, so I'm keeping it until there's nothing left. Now I'm going back into that chocolate cocoa brown and putting that underneath my eye and blending that for my bottom lash line. And now I'm just dusting away all the excess powder from the Sasha Buttercup powder from when I was baking. And we're looking powdery, so I went in with the NYX matte spray. And now I'm going in with the ColourPop Cosmetics Bangin' Brunette brow pomade for my brows. And I'm cleaning up my brows with the concealer and a flat concealer brush. And then I'm just blending out the ends of my brow to make sure everything is blending seamlessly after I did my brows. Now I'm going in with that tan color, and I'm going to be putting that in my waterline on top of the white color, just so it's not so intense. And then I'm blending underneath my eye once again to make sure everything blends seamlessly. Now this is the Tarte Feisty Blush, and I'm just putting that on the apples of my cheek. And I'm going in with the Crayon Case Honor Roll Highlighter. And as you can see, this highlighter is bomb. So I'm just highlighting up a storm. hitting that nose and then the tip of the nose and my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going in with this Ofra Cosmetics Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter and using that white color as my inner corner highlight and the champagne color as my brow highlight. Then I'm using these lashes that I got from Amazon, really cheap lashes, and I just double stacked them to get them to be nice and thick the way I want them to look, and they were perfect. Now I'm going in with this Violet Voss lipstick in the color, I have to look it up. I will leave it below. I think it's called Soul, but I have to check. And I'm using that for my lips. And I feel like this color went so perfect with this eye look. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. For today I wanted to go matte because I've been doing a lot of glitter looks and not everybody wants to wear glitter. So this is the look that we came up with using some winter colors, some winter realness going on here. We used the James Charles palette from Morphe, and so this palette is really versatile. You can use all the colors in it, or you can go matte and you can go dark and you can use a more neutral toned look. So this is what I came up with here. I think it came out really pretty. I love how the lip complements everything. So you guys let me know how you feel about this look below. Don't forget to give me a comment. Let me know if you are feeling this. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have been feeling everything that I've been doing on this channel. If there's anything you'd like me to do differently, let me know in the comments, and I'm definitely open to feedback. And also don't forget to share these looks so other people can see how to get these slays, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and encourage other people to subscribe so we can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.